Have you ever wondered why a flower has the color it has? I sure have. And through my curiosity, I had dedicated a part of my life and time to study and research a conclusion to why a plant is what it is. And the flower, in particular, has its colors. Making sure I have the right equipment, I set off to venture into the unknown again. After all, what is life without a small hint of excitement? Having a journal on my left hand, my tools such as test tubes, small plastic bags, and a pen were in the case on my right hand. Finding the plants I were to make my research with, I started to get to work. Petals were separated into groups of their own plant species. I found daisies, tulips, and even wildflowers that were a part of the families. That is all I needed, is what I thought to myself. That is until I saw one family was missing: roses. That was my final target. Seeing that there weren't any near me, I went to a florist for one. And now, I was walking home because I was unable to. Wait. There. How could I have not seen it? A blood wine red rose, fully blossomed. A bush of them. To be clear, it is on the outside of the town's cemetery. Well, I suppose no one would mind if I were to get at least one. Pulling out clippers, I snipped about 10 inches of one of them, and I placed it with the others. When I finally made it home, I got up on my lab with many objects and tools that I was recommended to use. Finally, getting the tubes hatch filled with their chemicals, I took a tulip, put it in, and covered it with a cork inside the liquid. I did feel a bit sad for destroying such beauty, but in the name of science, and in order to get my answers, I cannot have a heart to get the answers that I seek. And it worked. The chemicals reacted to every petal and changed colors. Although I did give different orders, and with my journal at hand and ready, I wrote down what I saw. However, this alone did not answer my question, so I used my microscope to see the flowers up close. And each one had different details, but same cells. Shall I say the structure of it? No, that sounds ridiculous. But my studies are definitely going somewhere. I was finally getting the answers I was at ease with. Even the rose I bought from the shop were similar to the others. It was around 7 when I had finished, and I was going to set aside my equipment. However, the rose from the cemetery was untouched. It would be a shame just to let that rose aside. So, I boiled up the liquid again and put one petal in, and I observed everything. It was, shall I say, different. To say the very least. Unlike the one I had bought from the florist, the liquid was now black. Not black as in night, but black as in ink. The liquid was boiled. It was boiling as the bubbles popped, but the odor it gave out was horrendous. My nose scrunched up as I tried to track down what I was experiencing. The scent from a dead cat going onto the scent of a skunk that was now roadkill. Cringing, I collected a sample from the tube and I used my microscope and saw The hell is that? Those weren't cells. Nor what I saw on the other petals. I can't describe it, nor can I write what I saw. I closed my journal quickly. I went to make a tea. Yes, a tea. It would have been easy and faster if the floor didn't move and the walls were straight. I must be going crazy. Yeah, that's it. I don't remember having guests over, though. Why was I in the kitchen again? This odor must be... It must be intoxicating me. I only grabbed an ice bag to place me head. I can't talk or write at the moment. I didn't put on by the word place. And the I and the T are apart. I'll finish tomorrow. Besides, it's not like the guests are from the place I got the roses from, right? Right.